Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BISSELL CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum with Quick Release Wand. If you live in a small space like an apartment or dorm, this vacuum is perfect for you. Not only does it have full-size power and a compact design, but it also features scatter-free technology to capture messes on hard floors with less scatter. And with the quick release extension wand, you can easily clean on and above floors. But that's not all. This vacuum also has edge-to-edge cleaning and specialized pet tools, making it perfect for those with furry friends at home. And the best part? Every purchase saves pets, as BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. So, if you're in the market for a new vacuum, look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the BISSELL CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum today and start enjoying a cleaner home while also supporting a great cause. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on home cleaning products. Thanks for watching.